I think so. Okay, what's going on, guys? It's your boy Mason. I'm here with my cousin with a slow RT.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah. So here's, let me just show off his car real quick. A little 5.7 RT, soon to be supercharged. So stay tuned for that. And stuff like that. But yeah. So onto my car. Today we're retrofitting the headlights. My headlights were retrofit before, but I bought a new set of headlights, which I'll show you guys right here. And then here is a brand new set of headlights. And then here's my old headlights. As you can see, they were already retrofit. But when I retrofit these, I didn't really know how to do it. I kind of just was practicing on these ones because the lens is kind of bad. I don't know if you guys can see that, but I kind of messed up right here. There's a little bit of paint on the actual reflector. So we're gonna do it again. This time I actually know what we're doing. So I'm gonna retrofit these ones. It's gonna look pretty sick. And then here's my car right now. I finally, I got it aligned the other day, so I'm finally actually driving it. So if you haven't seen all my other videos, we did clutch, long tube headers, some differential work, a bunch of stuff. So go ahead and check out those videos. But yeah, now we're gonna go ahead and get started on the headlights. You want? Hey, RT driver. You wanna say anything about your car? Besides supercharger coming soon, I kind of already said this, so you can't say that.
Oh, as is, I beat his ass.
All right, cool. So we got my cousin here. He's putting the headlight in the oven. If you guys haven't seen other people do this, basically what this is doing is it's melting all the glue off of the headlight. So then we would be able to actually remove out the lens. So this guy's actually an expert with body work.
Oh, yeah. I like all body. White, black, green.
Anyways,
yellow.
But no, but seriously, this guy's actually pretty good with some body work and stuff like that. So yeah, he actually owns a body shop downtown San Francisco.
Yeah.
So no, I'm just kidding. But yeah, now we're just gonna go ahead and wait for the headlight to warm up. And if you do this on your own, make sure you're actually watching the headlight. One time we were not watching the headlight and it kind of melted and it was kind of bad. So yeah. Alright, so a little update for you guys. We went ahead and removed both lenses from the headlights. And now we went ahead and sanded down the inside. I am going to be painting it black and throwing some clear coat on top. And then my cousin over here, he's masking off the reflector so we don't paint the reflector by accident. And then a quick little tip. If you are doing this yourself and you're sanding this down, you don't have to, do a really good sand job. You just need to get it, if you paint it without sanding it, all the paint is just gonna, slip off. It's not gonna stick properly. So we just making the surface just a little bit rougher so that way the paint will stick, because the paint will cover up any scratches and stuff like that, and plus the lens is gonna go over it too, so you won't be able to notice anything inside. Okay, so we just went ahead and painted it. I did not paint the reflectors. That's black. That's taped off right there. We just haven't taken it off yet. So the paint's wet right now because we literally just painted it. So we're gonna wait for that to dry off. After that, we're going to have to shave down this little back piece right here. We're gonna have to go ahead and shave that down because that actually won't let us access the projector because it's actually too thick. So we're gonna shave that down after the paint dries down. Okay guys, and we went ahead and installed the projector. Right now, my cousin is removing the tape from this side so we can actually see the reflector, and there you go. If you can just see it move his hand out the way. So there you go. That's how it's gonna look. It looks pretty sick. So now we're gonna go ahead and put the lens back on. Well, we're gonna take off this tape, then we're gonna put the lens back on, and then we can install them on the car. Okay. Alright, I'm good. Okay guys, so we went ahead and put the lens back in. This one, the way we oh shit, I fucked up. Okay, so we went ahead and put the lens back in. So basically what we did is we got the heat gun, and then all the glue, we just basically heated it back up and squeezed it back together. Now we kind of clamped it down. We're letting it sit for a little bit so the glue can dry up. And over here, there are still some little spots that it's kind of bright because we're using a flashlight, but there are still some little spots right there, or still some little holes. Basically, we're getting some window sealer to seal it up so that way no water or anything can get inside the headlights. Alright, there you guys go. It's installed in the car. The reflection from the lights kind of ruining it. But other than that, it looks pretty freaking good. Now I'm gonna go ahead and turn the lights on for you guys so you can go ahead and check out what it looks like. So that is with it on in the camera. You can't really tell how nice it looks because it's kind of bright. But that is basically it. Retrofitting my headlights, and yeah, pretty badass. And actually, these do light up the road a lot better than the stock headlights. So it's definitely something I recommend. It looks pretty good, and lights the road a lot better. Okay guys, and that basically wraps up today's video, day 10, 9, 11. I have no idea what it is. You guys can tell by the title. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching the video. Huge shout out to my cousin for helping me out. Follow him on Instagram. It's gonna be right there. Put your finger right there. That's his Instagram right there. So follow him on Instagram and follow me on Instagram. And that's about it. See you guys in the next video, whenever that is. Okay, bye.